All right, let's talk about Instagram. Ever find a post that's just so good you wish you could save it? I mean, really save it, not just tuck it away in your bookmarks. Well, today, we're going to walk through exactly how you can download your favorite videos, reels, and photos and get them right onto your own device.
Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You see this amazing reel, a beautiful photo, maybe an inspiring video, and you hit that little save flag. But let's be honest, all that does is send it to this black hole of a collection you'll probably never see again. What if you could just, have the actual file on your phone, on your computer, for keeps?
Well, that's where our solution for today comes in. It's called IG Fetcher. Basically, it's a super simple web tool built to solve this exact problem. And trust me, we're going to see just how easy it is to use.
So, why this tool? What makes IG Fetcher special? Well, it really boils down to three big things. It's got to be fast and easy, right? It absolutely has to be safe and secure. And of course, you want your downloads to look amazing, so high quality is key. Let's dive into what that actually means.
And honestly, the best part might just be how simple it is. You seriously don't need to be a tech wizard for this. There's no weird software to install, no accounts to sign up for, nothing like that. The whole thing is literally just a couple of clicks. Okay, so here's the play-by-play. It's super straightforward. First, you're on Instagram, you find that post you want to save, you hit the share button, and just copy the link. Easy enough? Then you just hop over to the IG Fetcher website, you'll see a box, paste the link right in there, and hit download. That's it, seriously. In just a few seconds, boom, your file is ready to save.
All right, I know what you're probably thinking. The process sounds simple, but is it safe? Is the quality any good? What's the catch, right? There's always a catch. Well, let's break down exactly what you get, no strings attached.
First up, the price tag. How much does it cost? Zero. Zilch. Nada. It is completely 100% free. No hidden fees, no premium version they try to sell you, and this is huge, no limits. You can download one video or 100. It doesn't matter. Okay, now for maybe the most important part, safety. This is a big deal. The best part here is that you never have to give it your Instagram password or username, ever. Your account is completely safe and private because all the tool ever sees is that public link you copied. It never touches your personal info. And the quality? You're not getting some grainy, pixelated version. Nope, videos come down in beautiful, crisp 1080p. Photos stay in their original high-res format. Basically, you're getting the file exactly as the creator uploaded it, with no weird compression or loss of detail. It's the real deal. Oh, and another huge plus, zero watermarks. You know how some downloaders plaster their ugly logo all over your video? Not here. The photos and videos you get are perfectly clean. No distracting text, no logos, just the content, exactly like you saw it on Instagram.
This one is super important, especially for all you Reels fans out there. The audio comes with it. The original sound is always included. So that trending song, that hilarious voiceover, it's all there, saved with the video. You don't lose a thing.
Okay, a quick little guide for all my iPhone people out there. The process is pretty much the same, but there's just one tiny extra step when you're using Safari. Let's walk through it real quick so you know exactly what to do.
So you're going to start the same way. Copy the link from the Instagram app. Then you open up Safari and head to igfetcher.com. Paste the link in the box, hit download, and then Safari itself will ask you, hey, do you want to download this? You just tap download on that little pop-up, and you're golden. The file will save right to your phone.
So, the big question, where did the file actually go? Good news, it's pretty simple. On pretty much any device, computer, phone, whatever, it's going to be in your main Downloads folder. On an iPhone, you'll find that inside the Files app. Just look for Downloads, and it'll be right there. All right, so let's do a super quick recap. What's the takeaway here? You can download pretty much anything. Videos, reels, photos. It is 100% free with no limits. It's totally safe because you never have to log in, you get beautiful 1080p, watermark-free files, and the whole thing is just a simple 3-step process. Can't get much better than that. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to save the Instagram content you actually care about. It's a pretty simple tool, but when you think about it, it's kind of powerful, letting you hold on to these little digital moments. So I guess the only question left is, now that you can save pretty much anything, what are you going to choose to keep?